Hello everyone, this is Johnny. Today I'm going to introduce a new tool, WebBench, to benchmark your web service. So WebBench is very simple software developed by this GitHub owner here, and you can go to GitHub to see all code here. So I tested and it's working very well and recorded all my steps here, how to install it. So right now I'm going to show you the process. It's easy. I already logged into my Google console, Google virtual machine console here. And so what I can do is just grab those commands, paste here, just untie it. Go to the folder here. So the next step is going to make install. So there's a make file here, and just make a. Of course, there's some SIEM you're gonna missing. You need to do more. You won't look at this command. So what we can do, we can just install any missing component. So that's the first thing. Second thing, let's try make install again. It said CC not found. So install here. CC. Okay, try make install again. Much better. We still get the tags error, so we need one more component. Tags. Okay, try to make install again. This looks okay to me, and we can try WebBench. You can see all commands here. Now we can test it with some connection. So we can test Google.com. So in 30 seconds, we launch 500 connections to Google.com to testing web servers. You can change Google.com to your server and see how that goes. It may crash your server if you've got too many connections one time. Starting from maybe 50, and then slowly increase 100, 200, 500, and then you can test it your server. So for me, I tested one of my server blog, and not that good. I got some failed. Connect to server holding the benchmark. Try again. Domain name was wrong, sorry. That's why I aborted the testing. This time should be fine. have to wait a second to launch 500 to try to hit this server and see how many failed, how many how it looks well still. It's a pretty good result. That's it. I think it's a good tools. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.